Hello guys, what's up? Today is the seventh and last part of this series, and today I am going to show you the operation of the equal operator. Let's start. You know that 5 plus 4 is equal 9. Whenever we press the first number, it shows up to the screen, and when we press an operator, the screen is clear and this number is set to first variable, and again we can enter another number. This is second number. This is first number, this is second number, and whenever we press the equal operator, it senses the type of operation and operates to this first and second number and generates the result and places it to the screen. So let's start coding. Handler equal action. At first we need to declare the second number, that is double second double and the result variable. So the second double will contain the second text string. So we need to first catch the string of this text field. String second text equal text display dot get text, and second double is equal double dot parse double second text. And now whenever we click this button, the action will identify which type of operation will be operated on the first and second number, and the type of operation is identified by this general operation object. So we need to access the general operation object after clicking the equal operator. So switch let me copy it and paste it. You see there is a warning, create local variable general operation object. Here the general operation object is local to this method, so we need to make it global. So private string general operation object, we need not this and this. So save it. You see the error is gone. So for case plus, what will happen? Actually, what will be the result? The result will be first double was saved you see the first double was saved here after clicking the operator, but again it is local to this method, so we need to make it global. Double, first double. So the result will be first double plus second double. Break. Let's copy this and paste it. So for minus, the result will be first double minus second double. Format the code and again paste it. For multiplication, result would be first double into second double. Again paste it. For division, result will be first double divided by second double, and we need a default case. Format the code and you see the result variable is contain the result for the operation that we have entered. So change the format of the result. String format is equal string dot format %.1f result and text display dot set text format. There is a warning. It says initialize variable result. Actually we need to initialize result first, and you see the warning is gone. Let's run the program again. So 45 into 3 is equal 135. 7 divided by 3 is equal 2.3. 7 plus minus, that reverse the 7 into minus 7, plus 3 is equal minus 4. So you see the calculator works correctly, and the calculator is look like this one that I have promised you, that you will have this calculator after finishing the series. But you see there are some limitations. Whenever we calculate some integer numbers, the result is always in float, so you can correct this easily. I hope you will do that. And if you like the series or the tutorials, then I will be happy. So please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.